Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to add funds to your MEXC account on mobile device. To add funds on your MEXC account, first of all, open the MEXC app on your device and then make sure that you're signed in. From the home page of MEXC, look for the deposit option. It can be available inside your wallet's menu at the bottom right, or it can also be found on your home page at the top. Simply tap on the deposit button right after you go and log into your account, and then choose the cryptocurrency you want to deposit. For example, you can deposit USDT, BTC, Ethereum, etc. After you go ahead and select any one options, select the network from the list. Make sure you also select the same network on the platform where you withdraw or your assets may be lost. Simply go ahead and choose a network and then select a deposit account on the next page. Now, click on the Tap to Generate Address button at the top and go through the information in the pop-up. For your security, your deposit address information will be sent to your linked email. Click the Send button once you are done reading it and complete the CAPTCHA and you will receive your deposit address. Your deposit address will be sent to you via email. Simply open it up and then you will be able to see your deposit address on the screen. You can simply go ahead and copy your deposit address. If you're transferring from another crypto wallet or exchange, paste the MEXC deposit address as the destination in the sending platform and confirm the transfer. For fiat deposits, follow the instruction for the available payment options like bank transfer or card. Once you follow through the instructions, the funds may take some time to appear depending on network confirmation times, and eventually your funds will show up in your MEXC wallet after confirmation. That is how you add funds to your MEXC wallet app. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.